mind-rolling monastery in Dehradun had been a mind-blowing experience. You can redefine peace and tranquility among the steppes, statues, and artistic gardens. A pair of students from cinematography college performed excellent shoot and interaction in the serene campus. You would never feel to return from the magical campus.
I'm here in mind rolling monastery. I'll be taking you to the statue nearby. It's a cafeteria. Some commercial establishment for food, cafeteria kind. Some rule regulations maintaining here. Affection in temple premises is a punishable offense. Okay, offense as per section 294 of the Indian Penal Code. Okay, that means no courting, no intimacy, no close relation, no close attachment. Beautiful circumference area around the Lord Buddha's statue. The precinct is beautiful, decorated with natural flowers, and visitors are coming here. It's a very silent place. Some visitors getting photographed to capture their memories. Okay, this is the statue. Down the feet of the monastery, down the feet of the statue of Lord Buddha. It's a lucky day for me to be here in Derhadun, mind rolling monastery. This is a stupa actually. Stupa is a kind of tomb. Let me read what is there here. Precious human life. Every day, think as you wake up. Today, I am fortunate to have woken up. I'm alive. I have a precious human life. I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to use all my energies to develop myself, to expand my heart out to others, to achieve enlightenment for the benefit of all beings. I'm going to have kind thoughts towards others. I'm not going to be angry or think badly about others. I'm going to benefit others as much as I can. His Highness, the 14th Dalai Lama. The stupa from close dimension. And you see the stupa here on my front. Wow, lovely place. What they do call it. And eating peanut is prohibited. Okay, I'll not eat. I hate peanut for the bills. It's very tranquil place to be very much energetic. मेरे को लिया कि नहीं? Laborer cleaning the garden, removing the weeds, and it's probably hostel for the youngsters, the monks, the young monks. And back to the bell, divine bell, and the statue of peace. Behind the statue of peace, there's a deep, dark jungle maintained by forestry department of Uttarakhand. Here is the stupa, another stupa surrounded by artistic, beautiful garden, hostel rooms, and staff quarters. This vehicle with the license number HP39A4431 was offered to His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama of 14th April 1986. His Holiness Dalai Lama used this vehicle as his personal vehicle until 2013. The Mind-Rolling Monastery thereafter acquired the vehicle and installed it in the Stupa complex in the 6th July 2019 on the auspicious occasion of His Holiness' birthday. And Meda, welcome to my interaction. Okay, I'd like to know what you do and what is your future plan.
First of all, my name is Medo.
You are from Nagaland,
I'm from Nagaland.
and she's
My name is Neha. I'm from Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Exactly, there.
No, I'm from Chamodi.
Chamodi.
Currently, I live in
Okay. Chamodi, how far it is?
It is like 7 hours from here.
Oh, nice. I'd love to know about your institution and the course.
So, actually, we are studying at
Dune
Dune Film Institute.
Film Institute.
I'm
Wow.
doing the course of cinematography.
Yeah. Okay. And future plan, do something associated with travel, you said.
Yeah, it is mostly associated with traveling and
Right.
exploring the culture of other peoples and showing it to the world.
Fantastic. And how your family is supportive to your intention, ambition?
When you come to like in the field of cameras,
Yeah.
they don't give much support.
Okay.
In the field
Camera.
of, yes,
Because they don't want public vision.
yes,
Is that?
they don't give
or maybe they don't find there is no clear-cut income. If you do a civil service job, probably you'll get a job and then they will be earning and people will salute you saying like, okay, deputy commissioner has come, something. Yeah, but there are government portfolio as well in this also. But this Northeast, I mean, not coming up much. All over India there are portfolios. Yes. Pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much. All the best for your future endeavors. Bye bye. Peaceful cafeteria. Students outside who come on different projects, enjoying their meal or some kind of snacks, whatever. So, but it's a good place, very peaceful, sophisticated, and food would also be yummy. I'll take your photograph. Any problem?
Yeah, of course you can take.
Tell me your name, Baba.
His name is
Harshit?
He's very shy.
Shy type. Okay. Say hi.
Hey, say hello to uncle.
Okay. Hello, beta. How are you? Now is thinking and then you'll say later. Okay. The guy is maintaining the law. Nice. Namaskar. भाई साहब अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. Thank you. Great pleasure you people are here. Bante, right? The monk, yes. You call Bante here. Okay, you reside here? I mean, you worship here?
We came from Dharamsala.
Acha. Dharamshala, that Punjab area?
No, Himachal.
Himachal. Okay. Oh, it's great talking to you. All the best.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Great. Ethnical Tibetan food and cafes on the street when coming out from mind-blowing monastery. People enjoying the solitude as well as distinguished cafeteria area and then there are cultural hubs. Okay, momos है यहाँ. Okay, noodles है. And Kimba town, they have given the name of this area till the gate. Yes, it's a nice one. I ride on the cycle and okay. It may not go along. Better is. Thank you very much for the juice, hospitality in the precinct of Buddha temple. I enjoyed that, and your smile is inspiring. As you said, my cycling is inspiring. Okay. Mithili, what did you say your name? I forgot. Chamoli ji, okay, Chamoli ji. This is your business and you say small business, very big business. To do such business for me, I need another 10 birth. 7 janam chahiye mujhe. You're doing great job. आपका नाम? तमङ. तपाईँ नेपाली हुनुहुन्छ? अच्छा. म नेपाली जान्दछु कि आसाम भन्ने ठाउँ. आसाममा जन्मेको तर मुम्बईमा सेटल भएको कि अहिले. अनि त्यहाँ आसाममा नेपाली चल्छ. त्यहाँको फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज किसन तामाङ, कर्सङ तामाङ. अच्छा, तामाङ चाहिँ जान्दिनँ. तामाङ अर्कै भाषा हुन्छ हैन? लामा तामाङ. मेरो साथी नै के छन्? तपाईँ के काम गर्नुहुन्छ यता? taxi driver. Wow, very good. It's a lovely job. Etaru uta dulnai mache, you know? Very nice talking to you. Thank you. हाँ here आपका नाम क्या सर जी?
रोशन.
Here we have Roshan who has helped me to get the board signboard done. It was not there for last 2 weeks and I had facing problem. I had been facing problem actually. Now thank you very much Roshan ji.
Thank you.
Yeah, for your kind help and it's really helped me to check out. Okay, your friends are there? Okay. Thank you so much. Hello sir. Okay, these guys are really nice to me and I wish you all the best for your business and prosperity. You have children?
Yes.
Yeah, I am a teacher, so I always bless for the children. Let them have very high caliber education. I'm a teacher. Yeah, okay. Roshan ji, thank you once more.
Welcome to Derhadun.
Yeah, my pleasure. And your help has been really, really exciting. And it's very, very productive for my journey. Bless me to complete another 14 states remaining before 30th November. Okay, have a nice time. Thank you, thank you.
His Holiness Dalai Lama has been idolized as the avatar of Tibetan Buddhism with the philosophy of Ahimsa, guided by Gautam Buddha. The Ministry of Tourism in Uttarakhand opens the gate of Mind Rolling Monastery every day for the common public. Please feel free to like, share, and comment.